Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in this session, we'll see how to sort data by using conditional operator. So, last session, I discussed with you that how to sort data by using where clause. So, in this particular session, we'll see how to sort data by using conditional operator. So, first of all, you people know what is conditional operator. Now, conditional operator is mainly specify some condition, like this is the conditional operator. Sorry, I did mistake. Comparison operator. So this is the comparison operator. Okay, so here all these things, see who and all the comparison operator equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Next is what? Between. And next, between is included these two, means upper and lower bound. Next is in. After that, like and each null. Okay, like and each null. So let's see uh, all this with practical session. Okay, so now we'll see, like we will need to put that conditional operator. So these are the conditional operators. So how conditional operator is using to sort data. Suppose I need data that last name title is Padi. Okay, so who had all have last name is Padi, that these records I need. Then how I'll write? Select from where last name equaled what? Padi. Sorry, I forgot the table name. Syntax is so carefully you can write. Okay, see, I'm not getting because in the table uppercase Padi is not maintained, so we need to put Padi like this, then only we will get the output. Okay, now I sorted by record with all the record I am not getting. Now I some specific record I get it. Now what we'll see, like this we are using our means equal to. Like this you can use uppercase and lowercase also. Here nothing is there like to show you uppercase and lowercase. Like if you have salary or you have age, then you can write that age is greater than 18. How you means some peoples are eligible to vote or some peoples are not eligible to vote. How you means filter data? You can put like age greater than 18, these are eligible for vote. Age less than 18, these are not eligible for vote. So like that our comparison operator is working. So next I want to see next I want to see like we are using or operator also. So how you using or? Select star from last. Suppose last name equal Padi or last name equal Mishra. Okay, what happened here? I was throwing. Okay, from table. Sorry, I forgot to where clause. Where, and this title is Mishra. Okay, so now I get it these three records. So here we need to sorted our query, like how we will use in operator. So here I am putting last name equal to Padi, last name equal to Misra, or any other last names are there, then also I can add that, like that. Else I can use in operator. So in operator, how we are using in operator? No, select from where last name in Padi, comma separated Mishra. Sorry, invalid identifier. This is in. What is invalid identifier? I think these are required single quote because these are character data types. Strings are there, right? So get it. So like that you can add here more like any other titles are there also, you can keep adding here. Okay, like that in operator is working. So you can get all these using in operator. No need to write all the time or. You can directly write by using in operator. Next is between. So when you are getting some range of data, when you need some range of data, so how you using? Now here actually I don't have to show you means much data to show you, but I'll tell you the syntax, like between operator, select star from the table name where uh, what I'll show you, how I'll show you the range. mm, 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 mm. Where uh, ID, okay, ID between ID between 5 to ID between 5 and 7. Okay, ID between 5 and 7. So this particular thing, so take us the range. So it is including both upper bound and lower bound, and always up means lower bound, it starts from the lower things and upper bound starts with the ends with the upper things. So here we are getting 5, 6, 7. So these all are included. Data means lower bound also included with our output and upper bound also included in our output. When you are need some certain data, those are specific in a limited in between a limit or in a, between a uh, um, like some range of data, that time you can use between. Next is pattern, how you get the pattern kind of data. So here also you can use select star from table name, where suppose some case what happened, we don't know exactly what is the name or we don't know exactly thing, then how we'll get the data. So we'll see, like suppose here I don't know the, I need the last name or I need the first name, those first letter is R. I need the means I know only first letter is R, rest of thing data I don't, but I know I need all the records, those are first names are R, means those are first names are R. Then how I'll get the data? So where first name like, where first name like R, like percentage. Okay, Now this is give you as a pattern of starting letter of R. See, I get only that kind of first letter who have R. Next I can do, like I need that any record that second letter is R, then we need to write the syntax. Means this underscore means in first something is there. Any data is there, no data is found. Okay. Next we need that means anywhere present R, first, second, last, anywhere present R is present, these two places only. So I get these two means things. If you want like third letter is R, then you can put two like that. Anything is present like third letter of R, then you will get. You won't get because you don't have enough data. I'll show you that type of one data also if you want to see. Suppose see, this is the third letter is T. So I can search here like third letter is T. So any data is there kya? Where third letter is T? Yes, Mithun. The third letter is T. So like that you can also get that pattern kind of data, like pattern when you search. Then if you don't know anything, then you can put your percentage sign. If you want any particular things like first letter or second letter, that second letter should be S, that third letter should be this, then you can put underscore and you can find this underscore specify the single character and this percentage specify the pattern. Okay, so hope everyone clear here. And one more thing is like null also I can show you. Like see, in this between I can find like between 5 and 7. Now I cannot not, I can use not, then I can't get the record. Those range is between 5 and 7. Rest all the data also I get it. So like that you can use not also. So for this session I stop here. You can you can practice this because these are very very important, highly essential and highly required things. So thank you for the watching, and please share with your friends and get knowledge from this. If anything helpful for this video to you and any improvement also is required, then please share and comment below. I will try to clear all the doubts. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care and please share lots with your friends.